Hello guys, okay, we needed to do some upgrade today, so we got stand, a microphone Jmary, yeah, and a C2C 5 meter C2C cable. They all just came in today. 5 meter C2C cable, so that I could always use the mic from a long distance. So all of it came in today, and we'll be test running all of it. Okay, so you'd have to manage the light with me. So this is the tripod stand, and okay, the previous tripod stand I left it somewhere, so I had to get this one. This one feels more legit, so I can just do this and all in one. But this is looking tight. Oh, but yo, okay. Wow, it came with a phone stand. This is good. I have a phone stand, but so that means this one will just, I have like 2 phone stands now. This is good. Okay. So the tripod itself, voila. This is really portable and sharp. Yeah. Okay. So we'll move over to the mic, the Jmary. Or before I go to the Jmary, let's check out this cable. I'm already losing the cable. So the cable is still doing fast charge with my phone. So from my charging brick, so even as of the 5 meter length, it's still charging at super speed. And now we have the Jmary. Is it Jmary? Yeah, it's Jmary. Jmary mic. Okay. Whoa. So we have the small manual here, and it came with its USB, but the USB is not long enough. It's not long enough. And I also got that C2C so that I could also power it from my phone, because my phone. So this is the mic. It's looking nice though. The baseband here is very smooth. So here we go. So it has this soft touch here where you can mute and unmute your mic. So let's see how we can power this guy with my phone, okay, so that we can also test this audio too. So just hold on. Okay, I mistakenly tapped the volume button and the video went off. All right, yeah. Go up. So I'm going to plug the C2C now. So yeah, it has the power USB. From here you can plug it to your PC or whatever it is. There a headphone jack port here. So we're gonna plug this. Yes, it has lighted. Okay. So hello, can you hear me? So that was my voice sound, and yeah, I can just unmute. Okay, so there's this soft touch here where you can mute and unmute, and there's also a button here. So there's more like it has different how do they call it, sound effects. Yes, it has different sound effects, which I'll do in the next video. Yeah, so that's it for this. So we're good and active. How does my voice sound? So maybe in the next video too, I'll do a video of my previous mic and this particular mic, the difference in voice. So I would try to sample this mic later. Thank you.